What's up, YouTube family? What's going on? It's Mark here from Financial Abundance and Healthy Living. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my go-to detox to help you smell better and to get rid of halitosis, bad breath. So this is one of the methods that I use. This is a good method to use occasionally. You don't want to use this every day or all the time, maybe 3 to 4 times. And then after that, just kind of leave it alone for a while. But what this is going to do is going to help you release the toxic waste. It's going to detox your liver, your pancreas, your digestive system, your small intestines, your large intestines, and get ready for some explosions in that toilet. All right. So I'm going to show you all how to make this. It's very simple. You only need some water. You can warm the water up. It can be hot water, warm water, or it can be room temperature water. All right, so you want to get you a cup or a glass, fill it up. We have here 1 whole lemon. I've already squeezed out some, but I'll squeeze some more here. Now, you can do lemon with the baking soda, or you can just do baking soda by itself. It's totally fine, totally up to you. You want to squeeze the lemon in there. And as you all know, lemon has so many great benefits. It purifies the organs, it removes toxic waste, and lemon just smells good. It's very acidic, but it definitely will alkaline the body once it's metabolized. All right, so I'm sure you guys and ladies are probably having a lot of saliva flow going when you see lemon and lime. You can also use lime too, by the way. All right, so we got that right there. Very tart. Now, this is a tablespoon. You do not want to use a tablespoon. If you do decide to go with a tablespoon, it's going to be trouble for you. I'm just going to put it like that, meaning you're going to be just exploding everywhere. So you want to just probably get about 1/4 of a teaspoon, right? About that much. About 1/4 is like about right there. All right, can y'all see that? And just dump it in there. Boom. And as you can see, you just mix it around. Make sure it's mixed in very well. Now, normally when I do this, I try to make sure that I take the seeds out because there's a lot of seeds in here, right? You want lemon, real fresh lemon. You don't want anything artificial or fake, all right? And you want to consume this on an empty stomach, all right? So you want to consume this soon as you wake up in the morning. Now, I would recommend not to drink this if you know you have to leave to go somewhere, go to work, or if you got to go to school, because when this tonic detox goes through you, starts to operate in your system, right? Some systems it'll take longer than others, but normally this can start operating within 2 to 5 minutes. It's just going to start pulling out the gunk, the junk, and eventually you're going to be pooping. It's going to come out liquid, like water. All right. And so that's what you want. You want to detoxify your system, your pancreas, your liver, your kidneys. So I'm going to go ahead and consume this, and I'm going to be right back. Oh, man. So this thing right here, I just finished consuming it. Ooh. Let me just tell you, it has a unique taste. You just have to somehow get used to it over time as you do this method. It can make you feel a little nauseous. It can make you feel queasy, your stomach kind of queasy and weird. You may even feel gaggy, like I kind of feel like a gag type, reflux type going on. So I just wanted to let you all know that about this. Just what to expect. It's going to deal with everybody differently, but yeah, it makes you feel kind of gaggy and like you're going to throw up or nauseous. And so anytime you feel that, normally 9 times out of 10 you're getting ready to hit that restroom. So so be on the lookout for that. Hopefully you don't have to go anywhere or leave the house or do anything right away, because you're going to be getting ready to release toxic waste from this method. All right. I think I got to get to the bathroom. So you guys just hold on. We'll be right back. Oh man. Oh, I forgot the toilet paper. Oh shoot. Hey, that stuff is going through me. That's what's going to happen to you. The same thing is going to happen when you drink that baking soda. Oh shoot, I can't even talk. When you drink the baking soda and you drink the lemon, or even just the baking soda by itself, man, you're going to poop out so much toxic waste. Don't forget the toilet paper. Whatever you do, do not forget the toilet paper. Trust me, you won't have any struggles with getting it out. It's going to flush you out, and ultimately you're going to smell better. Trust me. Whew, man, you're going to feel so much better, so much lighter, and you're going to smell better ultimately. So now that we finished taking a crap, right, and releasing the toxins, now you can soak your feet. So these are my feet, right? You can actually soak your feet for about 20 to 30 minutes. Add some baking soda in the water, just like that. And you can just kiss the sickness and disease goodbye, man. What you think? Soak your feet and remove all of the toxic stress, all of the toxic waste. And these, by the way, are a size 12, so that you all know. Let's see, these are the athletic feet. But you want to soak these puppies and make sure that you do this for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can also take a bath and soak. Very hot. Very, very hot. Very relaxing, very soothing. Man. I want to do this for about 20 to 30 minutes, and this can actually help with releasing the toxins from your body. You can also use a bucket. For those of you ladies that have foot buckets, you can use that as well. And you're going to notice, you keep it in here for 20 to 30 minutes, there might be some residue that moves around from your feet. All right. So that's it. I hope you like the video. Make sure you all comment. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me know if you're going to try the baking soda and lemon method, right? It is very, very potent, meaning that it will really help with flushing you out and cleansing your system. When you eat a lot of meats, a lot of carbs, drink a lot of alcohol, your body is very toxic, right? And so you have to take the time to detox your body, detox your system. You're going to feel a difference. Your stress levels are going to go down. You're going to smell better. Ultimately, you're just going to smell fresher. Now, you cannot do this every day, drinking baking soda, although I know you want to, because it can definitely have some issues, long-term effect issues with your digestive system. But I just wanted to show you guys this video. Hopefully, this is very helpful for you all to help you freshen yourself up, freshen your body, detox, and just eliminate all of the waste, the toxic waste that you've been carrying all these months, all these days, and all these years. Take care, and I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all on the next one.